Hi guys, welcome to another video. Alright guys, for today's look is this pink glitter cut crease. It's perfect for black women, it's perfect for dark skin women, it's perfect for women of color, whatever you want to phrase it as. It's perfect because it's perfect for me. This look was just supposed to be something that's a little bit dramatic, a little bit more colorful and playful. You can see the glitters. I tried some bottom lashes. I hope you guys like this look, and if you want to see how I recreated this look, stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys.
Brows already done off camera and my lids already primed. Starting out with that pink shade from my BH Cosmetics palette. Alright, so basically I'm going to use this shade as a transition shade. Alright, so the next step is to use this light pink color as a little brow bone color. Just using it over the transition shade. This shade was not what I anticipated. It was actually a little bit more chalky. And it didn't even look that I wanted. However, what it gave me, I worked with. So next I'm going in with that kind of burgundy color, but what I did off camera was I added a little bit of brown and black to it because the burgundy was just basically looking like the pink on me, and I really wanted to have a little depth to my crease area, so I went in with a little brown and black just slightly. Alright guys, so I'm gonna begin to start cutting my crease. So what I was trying to do in this clip here is to actually put this on my lower lid and have it go up so I can see where my crease cut, and that's what you can see right there, the impression on my crease area. Yeah, so still trying to find the perfect crease cutting brush. I actually bought this brush the other day, and it's not a makeup brush, it's actually a nail brush. So when I went to buy this brush, the person was like, no, a nail brush them there, no. I was like, okay, that's fine, I need it, I'm good. So far it did the trick. It's really small, so it goes in those little areas really perfectly. However, the brush on it is pretty small, and as a result I found that the product was being stuck in the silver part there instead of actually going on the brush and going on my eyes. So still searching for that perfect crease cutting brush. Alright, so right here I'm basically going in with my transition shade on the outer corners of my lid, just to kind of, I don't know, it's not a smoky eye, but just to kind of have some blending going on there. This is before I put my lid color on. So right now I'm going in with my lid color. I got this from my Beauty Creations Anna palette. I was going to take a color from my BH Cosmetics, take me back to Brazil palette. However, I don't know, the colors were just not, I don't know, I'm still trying to get a hang of the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I don't think I'm a fan of it, but my Beauty Creation, oh my, I live for that palette. That was a purchase that I am happy I actually did. Alright guys, now I'm going in with my liner. I decided for the first time that I wanted a thick wing. Oh my god, this took me a minute to get, because I'm just not used to it. Even if I do a little thick wing, it would not have been as thick as this was, but I just wanted it so thick. I just wanted a small area exposed, and that's the area I was going to put the glitter on. I wanted it super thick, and I achieved the look. Still a little work can be done to it, but I am happy with the outcome. Guys, so to apply the glitter, I'm actually going to use my lash glue. I know this brand, it just came in a set that I got from Rubber 21. I don't know the brand of it. It's just a lash glue. Any lash glue can work, clear lash glue. So that's what I'm using. Putting it all over the area that I have exposed on my lid. Then I'm just going to use a small brush and just pack the glitter on. I kind of used a mixture of that small brush, and I was trying to use a larger brush, but that wasn't working out, so I had to go back to the small brush, as you guys will see later. Guys, you know the drill. As for every look that I do, I'll be doing my foundation, today I'm using the my elf foundation. I kind of felt at first that I put on too much foundation, but I blended it out pretty well, as you guys can see here. Now I'm going to highlight and contour. It's the same thing. I kind of just did little clips of this because you guys have seen me do this before. So I sped it up and I showed you guys like little parts of it, so you didn't get it as detailed as my other videos. I think what I'm going to do is just to do a highlight and contour routine, so you guys can have that. So I don't need to do my brow anymore because you guys see how I do my brows. So I think I need to do a highlight and contour routine so you guys can see how that works as well. So right here I'm going to put some of the pink. This is the one that I used to put on my lid, back on my lid, the shimmery one, as my lid color. I'm going to use that under my eyes, or on my lower lid. Oh my lord, my lower lash line. Whoa, okay, my lower lash line. I'm using it on my lower lash line, and yeah, doing it for both eyes, after which I'm gonna get my lashes on. So I tried some bottom lash, or 2 bottom lash today. I like how it turned out. Yeah, after which I am now adding my blush. I'm adding my blush. This is just basically a pink shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette that I'm using as a blush. Now I'm adding some highlight to my nose. I'm adding some highlight to my nose, and then to my cheekbones, or the top of my cheekbones. I'm gonna add it to my forehead. Here we go, and then to my chin. Not really a lot, as well as my cupid's bow. There's not really a lot of highlight that I add. Now I'm using a brown liner to line my lips. After which I'm going to use a kind of a light pink Clean color lip gloss. I don't like this by itself. I think it makes my lips look ashy, and so I always go for it with a gloss, some sort of a lip gloss. You guys can see here my lip kind of looks ashy. I don't know. Maybe I could pull this one off. I don't know. don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and please hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys, and stay safe.